everybody, welcome back to the channel. A new film simulation recipe. This one was found on the Fuji Weekly website, my go-to place for finding these new recipes. Now this was created by Ritchie, and it is called Negative Print. Now he got some inspiration from this, from reading through old Arizona Highways magazines. Now I've never heard of that, being from Canada. I've heard of Arizona obviously, but I've never heard of that magazine. But I guess his inspiration came from the old pictures on there and had like a vintage aesthetic, a film kind of a look to those photos in the print. So I wanted to give this one a try. I had a chance to go out yesterday and today. Yesterday had a nice kind of blue sky. I went down to a bird sanctuary that was in the area, took a walk around. Obviously it's still fall, lots of fall colors in there. No leaves on the trees yet. We're still not quite into spring, but the golds I think work quite well with this film simulation. It's based on the Eterna film simulation. And then I was hoping today to get back down to the beach, especially for Paul, to take some pictures down at the beach in color. And again, we were socked in with fog this morning. So unfortunately, much like the pictures from before where I was using that last film simulation based on Acros, this one using classic negative, definitely very, very subdued colors in the fog. But hey, I liked it. It was a kind of fun simulation to try. All of the photos were taken X100v. These are all JPEG straight out of the camera. I hope you enjoy. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this film simulation. If you want to try it in your camera, I will also leave the recipe down below. I hope you enjoyed, everybody. It was nice to get out, take a walk, take some photos. Hopefully you're having a chance to go and use your cameras as well. If you are taking pictures and using any of these film simulations and you have Instagram, as always, tag my Instagram. I will leave a link to that as well. Tag me in one of the posts so I can check out your photos as well. And if you have another film simulation that you like, leave me a comment. I would love to try some new ones. If you have a favorite that you're using right now, drop that in the comment, leave the recipe. I will definitely give it a try in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you aren't subscribed and you've made it this far, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, follow along. We share a ton of Fujifilm simulation recipes on the channel with some sample pictures, and it would be great to have you follow along. That's all, everybody. Have a great rest of the weekend and see you in the next video.